So here's the exact mechanism of an ACL tear. What you're going to get first is a valgus force to the knee, which means the knee is going to be inward, which is going to gap the inside line of the joint. This is a right leg, so that inside knee is being gapped, thus placing tension on the ACL. This is a valgus position when the foot is out wider than the knee. Now, this isn't inherently bad. What actually creates the injury is a twisting mechanism. This occurs because the heel is planted into the ground, fixating the shin bone to the ground, and the body trying to absorb any type of force that is planted. Thus, the shin bone is fixated or turning into internal rotation, as you can see by the shoe line or the sock line dropping down and inward, and then the thigh bone tries to absorb that force by rotating outward. So you get this alternating twist mechanism. Again, you can see the shin rotating inward by the sock line moving downward, and you can see the thigh rotating outward by the stripe on his pants disappearing, which is driven from the heel being planted into the ground, fixating to the foot to the floor, driving internal rotation by placing too much pressure to the inside aspect of the heel while allowing the femur to move outward. The femur moves outward as it should, but when there's too much pressure at the heel, that's when you get this disharmony of movement. And in a valgus position such as this, that's where you create the ACL tear. The ACL tear happens in a split of a second. It happens so quickly, no matter how much strength and conditioning coaches would like you to believe that you can develop strength to avoid these injuries, it is a pressure issue. You place pressure in the wrong area, inside aspect of the heel, fixate that heel to the ground while trying to absorb pressure with the foot outside the base of support. You're asking for an injury every single time. Now in athletics, you're going to put your foot outside the base of support. It's just inevitable. It's going to happen during sport at some point in time, which is why you shouldn't be repetitively teaching your body through weightlifting and other agility drills that you'll see online. You should not be teaching someone to place pressure on the inside aspect of their heel dynamically.